Now Casabush now depending prince. I would your son. What is the panel? If you man. Now baby so baby the hospital or you see a trade to be back. It was saying nutrition. The part of one that hospital, I said placenta needs to be myself. We get that hospital, made sure we're doing rain. Now, couple boy, channel papa, you be far command. Who's one? Who pay your Kuma Bay? In Kuma Bay. Now, what's in the come, and I come. I choose some cutting. Yeah, what's in the come, and I black. Choose some of hospital or Fagun soup now on. Or no, you within 30 minutes. A child in Vabetono, and your bosom, and your she. One more much not send. Mummy and Pa, baby mamma. Yes, Ramo Pa, young time you. Would the only say what you must have now cost one, and you will be there, yo. Would the only say will be banned over the soon soon, my time you. Baby a time you, and I have baby a year common. Nasani have by this city and was a time you. What's me the deal? And yet me the jump. I have baby, so would she the frown qua, soon bonny be and we bet me about time you. And now, person would have told them so. And the bomb by out their confirmed to Ebeka, yet shall be a young common. And our baby so I win you ma, and then fear I was something watching aircon, yet shall our warm red drew. Sabe, oh, wow, but to our party. Say, I show ya a man in now, wa. You bet your home, as I say, and run ye and moi. Yes, the copa confirmed to crow. Confirmed to crow, ya, actually. Ojam na de ewunso na ono yesro wo be se drubu so menkro na akoya sisi na akra na yede na wa ba beto hono Grace Gift her back clinic say no omo muhie dru no yesre mo omados enti e besre bebre se won beto ombo kakra emre ni dru hono mo a yede emre ni beto na amanfo so etima apply aba ni
9661 Dr. Grace Boadu no yes I feel life DS Sports on YouTube, bet me about analysis in the live. And the match of the week, share and obey Chelsea West Ham, a year Stamford Bridge, a DNT and a Timmy versus Amaju Moka, as OT, now so do comment, live on DS Sports. YouTube and to bet me about Abeshoba or share no being so ashibi sanity na what comment na ya kind at the amount. Oko Twitter so I done someone match of the week post to know at the West Ham against Chelsea. I was Stamford Bridge. I know you for first half and you may a frontline show so you have Porto Liverpool and the Champions League game. And Tinina no comment no on Twitter. We are now on my hashtag Adunko123 Angel Sports Yanko Sisia na yemfa analysis no enhihye so 0246 518 003 0246 518 003 Grace Gift numbers no and I'm to gan 0246 518 003 0206 812 558 0206 812 558 0206 812 558 0246 518002 003 and I'll do any edge a boko kofo do adru afrelan ma obi enkochro baabia obako ma wo yare no kra kese nipa bone for dos ntu dru afredok line na se ka kro be ma company ka tu aba be fawo anaso be ma obi ahia nwa kro ye kromo wa na mum ye mpeso obebusa wo de efre na omu mefawo na bibia ntimi nkoso mana mo pa wo wa wunyinsan ya enyina na asai wa wunyinsan ya na wafu ne ba na asa twetwen asa onyem nyinsan fam no eya na ha adwen ye pa udi agro be you fractures for asasi so so ko Grace Gift no ma ha ba no na etu ase e ma na bibia ntimi ekoso sanso e na bema wo peso ye enlargement bema de obema so a mo hwe DS Sports live uni masem American wo problem esumpo e ne da asai na eswa ko normal natural enlargement na ejina wo na so ye pa why no abobra mekwati timu mewu animu ya eno de ekum ni papa sa masem na wo fom no ene be ma esua no da bia so obai wono wo kun ani wo ye twema na enso nani enam say feelings ye wo hunam mu no ene feelings so what fiem tika mu no difference wo mu ayesrew ha kwame ana meboa and ya mani feel fie enti be ma no se so a kono wo mu Grace Gift doc ye mu ache ba bia wo bia fei Before say about Chelsea West Ham, no, recap weekend here with big games, bear some 2 minutes be, and yes, I'm on for be drama pa. Juventus, AC Milan, Piatek Eshe, Juventus Eshe AC, Barcelona, Etekin late. But they 2-0 against Atletico. Diego Costa, edgy red card. And I feel Dortmund, shocking.
Yes,
5. Dortmund, edge 5. Our Bayern Munich in the Allianz Arena. And no, many shows be expect huge scoreline against a side and yet easy to even score 2 against them. Going into the game no more for me, and they only lost.
Yes. And so
to Melody Sundowns 5.
No,
okay. Quick one.
I don't know share a game course for Alliance Arena. Na game back to me. Na me analyze the game now ready and uncle for so trauma game will Twitter I don't someone and I be bring na say Dortmund. E be share now share Dortmund form and no more so. But na me want to say personally, say na me analyze what I say now no say a game Dortmund will form in the Bundesliga. But na me sure say Bayern for be win this game no. But my expected score line e be mo. Na me say Bayern be win this game no. But I say almost say Dortmund 5 ready. My expected score line a very good results for Bayern Munich team now raise Bayern team no. E ma ne kwasho say and okay AC Milan so more ball against Juventus. Juventus winning 2-1. Now expect a lot from AC Milan because now AC Milan lose game now the top 4 no qualification the bedding. But usual you can now say anytime behind the Italian say what about Betia Juventus, especially two this season Juventus will lose only 2 teams and a team to win akwa points. I sure say Juventus team no kwa na e Genoa and Parma omonkwa na akwa to win akwa a single point na AC Milan some bedding. But ni pa ba kwa ni expect so be goal no was Piatek and will live up to expectation. Though say na the team on the losing side here by Piatek etimi nya goal and no company so again game ba kwa e ka say Barcelona ebe win by 2-0 and as 2-1 because na any team and as game ehun say be score line be kese to say the ehun our Bayern and Dortmund game no and Barca again though say Barca team no what they compare Barca history on level na and this season Barca team ni nyehu sa ba atwa Barca dey man hu yehun ye say even at the time kra na omu team no any suru bebre no kra no mu make sure say in the Spanish Premier La Liga omu dominance no besa a continue o hwe sa record na ye de ma Diego Costa nyankopon nim no krenye o hwe nsema o kan na say no kra de na say de Diego Simeone kan no say no kra so ka sa ne chere referee ne dia then na record ba wan ka sa de dia then na referee so no or questions bebre betime say no okay Messi go now o ball is a penalty or the ball ni real mo nya abotre na ball so no I know you players the film no they toe yellow black ne sabo nkum so classic from Lionel Messi and Grassroots or ball na say penalty no ball na Barcelona for so far me to mark say in the Spanish Premier La Liga Barcelona for no SI champions do say no official thereby menye sure say Real Madrid and Atletico Madrid a bit to catch up with Barcelona dominance in the Spanish Premier La Liga.
Okay, yeah, so meba new hosts here still live on DS Sports. First half show so Abdul Rauf say big ups everyone. Faye me champion pillow one and so you say champs no I seated Angels Pulse hashtag I don't go 123 hashtag champion pillow one all the way Bantuma and a pillow one the free bar. I'm from Cape Coast. Abra, okay, you are doing a wonderful work. Keep it up. Bless you all. I know you're Patrick Arthur and a different bar. Asumani Obed. Where YouTube, yes, you bet me I join in quickly with your comments. Maybe new channel now for no so touch it quick ones. A big games about over the weekend. Now ya to us so Asumani Obed say Fishbone, yes, from Dubai. I salute you, sir. And no, Mugabe, Crucial Summer, and Mugabe watching you live from Ashman at UAE or share was UAE. Enjoying Kwame Dela and the show Big Ups DS Sports. I'm Costes inside Bahrain. Yes, Costes. Bahrain. Yeah, now I just kill him, mama. Or say Ochia Sewa. Yes, and Sewa de Sewa Kron de Wahuni Pakro. Champion Chamanun to me Junior. So the bosses are seated. Okay, today, Chelsea will win. Angel Sports, your hashtag. But I'm not chasing good morning. Favorite sports station. Keep it up. You are doing a great job. Okay, Sunday nights are boring without Friday show. Well, you better try say Sunday night in Pennyfobe my time no more. I increase your first no amaya. You bet me about Sunday, you bet you interview no nafi. Yaba I bet na have a mamu Sunday no I hot. Isaac Deborah. I say hello, Don. I'm Rapture. Yes, listening to you live from Takrade in Chaban, and no a Rapture in Chaban or Tadi. Man for the bad new. You're not crying your master, but when you join it, I bet me I join it. I will DS post on YouTube and I feel call Twitter. I Don Summer One. I will Twitter hashtags. Hashtag Adonko123 hashtag Angel Sports. New quick one. I will big games now for you.
Yeah, Ali scorer and very shocking. But I wish Ali side before this game, no, not Tuesday, we winning over Etihad Alexandria. Game no, we winning 2-0 and I come about Bishia and Melody Sundowns over the weekend. But crucial, a very shocking result. Wish Ali time as a very historic African club. I'm not dominating our club football so much. Last year we call final. No, I'm experience on Mulusi and come on bumper so much. Drew on 13th final in the CAF Confederations, but I'm dominating with the time. I know more players with a boot trick and Flavio Amando da Silva. These guys need now Boali Momo dominating, but Commander Sasa say, you know, Mamelodi Amo Moasa Paki Omoni, very shocking result. But Mamelodi themselves also another big club, Crucial, Tina no Matia Koda and this time around, Oman announced more with a win of Munya over Ali over the weekend. Barcelona, the NHL, and you will be brave because let's come out this season. And he might be Braboiti Omo. And Russia say Omo striker, Costa, on your record earlier in the first half. That's an even Boiti Omo. A game of Barcelona, a share 2-0 with Messi. All the anime to the place, as I said, that one player for over 10 years in progress in the BS Rad Echo, and always every single game be a Messi Wadia or the Yin and this time around, Nani goal on Yan, sending a Kwame Kane, very superb. Games with Brace, so I would do a course so crucial. A branded bomb will be to me at it, but Barcelona game, and I'm a person, Michel Muka Krabi.
Well, I feel quite at them young Quaina, young Cotti, a year, Dumude by our Chelsea game. Na yɛhwɛ the city still wobɛtumi a comment about DS post on YouTube. Yes, comments be bring ba Reagan, well, Adam Yusuf, Barcelona, we are the best team in the world. Sam Peter Summer, you and your crew are good, keep it up. He's a Boskini from Sawaba Dukrum. Kumasi Aye, each and everyone is listening to the best sports show. TNB Sports on YouTube. Nadia, no, hi, Angel Sports. I really like your sports, mostly your frontline sports. Okay, big hi to Delay. Oh, Della. And I do have a switch. Della, the fishbone. Okay, I'm so proud of him. Say Ninja. And a day message we abba. Whoa. Eba. Ubet me join with your comment. American Coupa more up printing in idea, but Dawson, Angel Pounds, Evrem, who Sako de Sifa Prince, Sapon Oche, Faye Ransford, and so here, so her from United States of America, Akono Bright, and so Evrem Bright Akono, Isaac Ajiman, and so Evrem with the comment. Faye Sapon Oche, Patrick Atta. Well, messages no banner eba. Obet me, Okwa no share. Why? Na Ubia on Unsuechi, I have been Nana Poku Kingdom. Your home message in the Paul G here. Afe Kwabna A. Boateng, John Paul, Isaac Kasari, Umunina a live, DS Sports on YouTube, Osman Umar, a womb, She TV, a room out on so a show no. Mehu Nana Kwame Poku, Evans, Asamoah, Daniel Sifa, Louis Ofurimenka Joseph, and Afe Samari Emmanuel. Yes, and Meuno God's way. Yes, on also a room. And then Mama YouTube Ayeshe, Kwabna Boateng or her Ata Filimo, and a Philemon, Ata Isaac, Deborah, and me who, yes, George Usu. Messages no dorsal with time. Even ya with any account Martin Abidio, a JPS, and also a remoha who set minta here. And Yasem get to Isaac Owusu and Kamaya Richard. Also do message, you know, Abba DS post on YouTube, Isaac Ajiman, and Behum Sisia, and Masai David Kumla. And so Jeffrey Osei from Sweden, Frank Aka, and so I join it. And so share or DS Sports on YouTube. Andrew Asante Andrew Echiao, Alaji Ibrahim, and so from Saudi Arabia, Felix, and so from Enkai. Okay, we'll say I'm watching you live from Cove City, Srodai, and here George Osei. ena Kufudia and Patemosha no share no being so and you DS Sports on YouTube, powered by Adunko Company Limited. I think Grace Gift Herbal Clinic and Laboratory Services. Yeah, share match of the week this morning. Chelsea against West Ham.
Match of the week.
Yeah, don't me that now. You emphasize that case my proud sponsor Adunko Company Limited. I'm gonna call for Adunko Adunko Ginger and Adunko 123. Uti me na person follow more social media so Twitter near at Adunko 123 at Adunko 123 and Instagram so at Adunko 123 on Instagram. Say I know cast analysis near live. Oh, DS Sports on YouTube. DS Sports on YouTube. Already what to say. The Don Summer air justice to messages nearly came back earlier on. And you team now so person do again share bar. Ubenya opportunity actually live. The course will studio I say no. The here so be could DS Sports on YouTube. Uko YouTuber search engine no. Ubo DS Sports obe subscribe. Abo say live a video live coverage near course wa. Ubenya share what share so no share now do comment at us. And DS Sports on YouTube. DS Sports on YouTube. Uko say Sasu na Twitter for no so no. Mobe call at Don Summer one on Twitter. At Don Someone on Twitter, now do messages so swab by making sure say Twitter the hashtag in hashtag Angel Sports, hashtag Adunko123, hashtag Angel Sports, hashtag Adunko123. Don Monday football. I was Stamford Bridge and Enumere. Chelsea against West Ham. A very difficult game for both sides. And culture and West Ham Chelsea bar. And Kiesha Nyabo train sim Kunyasi PC Ragim pay. Because already social West Ham or me is safe. Some Becca Premier League for next season. Onward 11th position, or more 42 points. But baby, I'm attention in Abam. I said also find opportunity to send a boy name. Obet me rampire into the top 4. I did not give me my shit. I had the pressure about Chelsea Football Club. So, and then in Chelsea, Nipado do a follow Chelsea, Nipado do a support to Chelsea. The other Chelsea any opportunity some bit my break through the top 4. And then when you say, now only who say Everton, I say Arsenal 1-0. And to say so actually the top 4 race no in the Premier League. The Otoso Miensa Tottenham Hotspur with 64 points. The Otoso 4th Arsenal Football Club with 63 points. Chelsea Toso 5th with 63 points. And to say name Chelsea to me win it means that Chelsea be 66 points. Chelsea a bit to me to Tottenham and Arsenal Football Club. And say the men name pressure beba Stamford Bridge pa your life DS Sports on YouTube. DS Sports on YouTube. And apart from such Chelsea pressure, almost so bet me room into the top 4. Chelsea no West Ham Ubeshia, now London. And mostly teams are more Kroba, so and also more City Bakusono. Beshia and far from who be brave. Because Russia Chelsea Football Club or more West London. And I watch West Ham so Musu East London. And the Aqua 2 London clubs are on Babeshi and then you Stamford Bridge. And 2 teams when you who pay Chelsea near Everton, or because also the matches between Chelsea and West Ham United are no mostly close. And it's also matches on my boy. Chelsea are winning 49. And with 22 are ending a draw game. And Chelsea are losing 40 and West Ham are winning 40. And 2 teams in there, Chelsea are winning 49, West Ham are winning 40. And with 22 are ending a draw game. And Chelsea anytime be a West Ham, Chelsea be see a kind of and ya name more than a ya name than so say, but could dominate Nimia. And the Bama give me my share by the team of pressure of Banner Soprano, a better Chelsea Football Club, or more opportunity Cassie, sending Mumbai to my break into the top 4. And I did about how much Chelsea in West Ham games have I had in recent times, they say. Social Chelsea Football Club. On my last 15 games, and also my last 12 games, in the Premier League against West Ham, Chelsea fell lose that. So actually the last time I Chelsea lose in the league match against West Ham United, I only lose 3-2. I brand new September 2002. That was 2001-2002 season. Under the Claudio Ranieri, the 10 man. That was the last time I West Ham to be bad Chelsea in the Premier League. I bet Chelsea Football Club 3-2. Apart from that, Chelsea last 12 games, fear against West Ham. West Ham will team by Stamford Bridge and Berini against Chelsea. But the best summer game, the say West Ham so last 3 games in the league against Chelsea. Chelsea soon to meet West Ham. And the say West Ham 3 games on Chelsea above. In the Premier League, Chelsea soon to meet West Ham. And Chelsea so last 12 games I was Stamford Bridge. Our league, you know, West Ham soon to mention that. And tell my game, no my shit. And then you repay. And so I Chelsea I paid the 8 no. And so can you be teams in your likely lineup? No, your life. Oh, DS Sports on YouTube. DS Sports on YouTube. Oko ha no share, no subscribe. Now so the commenter to say come. Into DS Sports on YouTube. Chelsea be Kepa, Rudiger, W. Louis, Aspilicueta, and MSN Palmieri on the completed the back four. As soon as I said the name said Chelsea about the flat four. In fifth one, about Jorginho, N'Golo Kante, and a Rose Barkley. And attacking third on the pediatric you say you bring the Triple H. Chelsea cast a Triple H. Chelsea bring Hudson-Odoi, you bring Higuain, and you bring Hazard. Omni from said the Triple H. And some conforming and son, Omni likely some bit lead the attacking line for Chelsea Football Club. And no West Ham so swat. Yet is a Fabianski better post name. Obona Bebo, Issa Diop, Zabaleta, Aaron William, Yebenya McNoble, Declan Rice, Felipe Anderson, and Notovich, and Chicharito. Almost in the likely lineup. Ombe Yusu. Benet Beda would say, actually, Konya at Chelsea Belfast to 18 years West Ham team, because already West Ham there. Omono entering rat off home, and at Chelsea in a pressure Beba to pay. Obiasha West Ham United Football Club. Omi a one teamer. You share season as an expectations next one. Because what your West Ham purchases some way, you better season as it. Now, the kind of players on toy. Now, should manager and handle West Ham United. Or me a team and no more individual materials. Tactically, no me very good. Because on what coach or yes, Sam, the engineer Manuel Pellegrini. You need him in the choir of Faso, Eshe Mala, a final about Real Madrid, or Man City Belgium, and about West Ham. Into a coach tactically, or yes, sounder, Ubena Papa Manuel Pellegrini. But you share season national. I'm not fair poorly. West Ham 4 matches are net 12 so I'm lose now. I'm lose 4-0 against Liverpool. I'm lose 2-1 against Bournemouth. I'm lose 3-1 against Arsenal. And I'm lose 1-0 against Wolverhampton Wanderers. And you share season national. West Ham 4 games at 12 so I'm losing now. But you better if you say try the quality of West Ham and lose one more first 4 games. It was because of the coach Manuel Pellegrini. The system mobile. My how many times says so your coach now perceive the best out of you are. Answer now be deploy system bino. Make sure say obecha the players na ho odene. The players ni say no ma ho odene tie answer na me the omafa system. And tie share season as in the first 4 games na Manuel Pellegrini ba dey friend say the Magic Square 4-2-2 system. Or point now because now players no and you comfortable with the Magic Square 4-2-2 system. Because any easy so bet my boss our system no in the Premier League. That was the most reason why you say West Ham first 4 games so lose na. By this time around, say Nyoma Society about West Ham United. So what you Manuel Pellegrini team West Ham United? So only beba one. Or shall say with the low block. Pellegrini West Ham and you see the fullbacks and they attack very well. West Ham and you see physique. You see more than the ball game no. More press it, more counter game, and more aggressive football. A kind of West Ham. Say so more fast to see a kind of no. And this what your West Ham team no man. Answer when you be remember quiet Chelsea Belfast so as stop West Ham United bobo no. Obeko DS Sports on YouTube. DS Sports on YouTube. Okoha obe subscribe no share now do comment at all. DS Sports on YouTube. Don't search West Ham for backliner. Ubenya Angelo Obona. Oba benya branch fence Issa Diop. These are the 2 center pair. Papa fence Manuel Pellegrini momu use low block. And once again, my man akonya we so educate ye TFOB. You can low blocker, a can mechanizing of defense. And you can mechanizing of defense. You will low block, you will mid block, and you will high defensive line. Low blocking, you say, Manuel Pellegrini, Obona, and Issa Diop stay closely to Fabianski. I'm on time bomb in the breed. And I've been just 2 center pair now, physically, or me and Bema. And it's also Angelo Obona, one of experience, neither. You know Obona at the time I know what Torino. You at the time of Juventus and the Ababesha West Ham United Football Club. One few centre back Abenyana physically and modern war, or a powerful defender, or Basso say yes, Berman Nebas a good tackler, and a very good player in terms of say already opponents. No, and Ababenya Issa Diop, I'm going this season from Toulouse, and I'm going to buy. Also say another strong tackler, and because of the heights, never area superiorities are very good, and the ball never should be broken my. And to Chelsea kwa share 2 center pair Obona and Issa Diop omo use so hodem pa no mo city deep omo tinetro omo time be nim na to me the counter show mo and to the moment oba ko share center pom you Issa Diop and Obona no omo use low block omo say use hodem no and what say Mauricio said making sure say the center for So be you use Abrante friend say he going. So be you use Gilda. Omonya dear friend say offensive pivots. At the current be here say Chelsea striker say he going a better as here. Obey offensive pivot near say. It's a drop ne obona be you so amodin. Enti also unya striker. Also so dia amodin be match no. Also be premier din. No has our two center back no. The moment he going and as a good, obey offensive pivots. Or better as a different day. And yet here is a drop and obona no. It means our creative space for Hudson-Odoi and Abrante friend say Hazard. By the moment I Chelsea striker, he going and as a good na better as you know. Went to me and said it means say obona. And I is a drop every free. No matter me clear all the danger balls. And teams from the West Ham about me defeat West Ham now. Or make sure some men center forward. A bed offensive pivots. On a bit different the first. And the two Obona and Isadio. And the expect he going say, or the any day. Or be ha Obona and Isadio. No matter me creative spaces. Ediama Odoi. Anna Hazard. And yes, Anna Chelsea go home say a bed day. And to this time around, the center forward for Chelsea Football Club. And also about game him so much. I was so running and it's so static. And it's so Gina baby faku. That's the first thing I ever expected from Chelsea Football Club. Say the main center forward acting as an offensive pivot. And so West Ham, Manuel Pellegrini making sure say the right fullback and the left fullback can be searching for it very. And to my check the about the right fullback, Zabaleta. Experience no per matches to do our boy in the Premier League. Or your one player in as much as any no no says Zabaleta searching for that ni who pay. With the crosses, because the target man so. With the long passes and the key passes. But the other has a baleta, you say, the recovery rate of form because they need a costo. And to a corner man who didn't know the Becono, a year or the bar, no much in the pay. And the idea you're expecting, you say, Zabaleta be pretty mostly. And the main zone be zone 3 and zone 6. Your cast zone 3 and zone 6 are. Baby at the right fullback needs now. The original position see a basic gymnast on the right side, far right on Konemono, and a zone 2, a zone 3. I know better than Kakra, I'm gonna do center half or could do interior midfield and the friend says zone 6. So 2 zones no, and the bears are baleta main zone be pretty. And the idea about Chelsea Football Club, you say, I didn't Hazard play so soon a better baleta hono. And then him Hazard so attacking threats. This time around, and say Hazard a press will be defended on the wide side. So about a traditional wide press in there be, but on using attacking threats, on using skills, and for hands Zabaleta. Sabana has a dead ball. No take you on Zabaleta 1, 2, 3. Or Zabaleta not a trainer. It means Zabaleta else a for the obeso because has a dead and chain. Interventing attacking movement, so I'm Zabaleta if you. The moment I press about Zabaleta, so it means that the 2 center back of West Ham. Abrante Fence is a drop. I was so pushy. No baba boy Abrante Fence says Zabaleta. O pushy about Oka. Obona and Kwaho. Now for their creative spaces for Odoi and Higuain. That's one thing I hear from Abrante Fence Eden Hazard Pele. The same thing on the left side. Obabinya Aaron Williams on the left side. Yeah, live ODS post on YouTube. So be Aaron Williams so on the left side. You expect Hudson-Odoi. So be you see the same thing I make him for Eden Hazard Pele. Now for the Felipe Anderson. Etimia Balechi. Because Felipe Anderson that cause a lot of problems. Adiama Aspilicueta on the right side. Because okay, see my friend West Ham player and who pair room. Hey Felipe Anderson. He's the most expensive player for West Ham United all time. Or shall I say so freelance you buy no na enquire. But this season, on Asha most goals, Ediama West Ham 8 goals in the Premier League with 4 assists. And the Chelsea so bad game him so much. No more better Chelsea more better no. And the expect say Hudson-Odoi will pretty on the right wing or no. Oh ma Aaron Williams tough time. Net me prevented Felipe Anderson so be join attack ni bebre. And I give back am expect Chelsea Football Club so be any say. So what Mark Noble, Mr. West Ham. Now be share Declan Rice so some confirm you in the midfield. Omo ye hard tacklers. Omo ye center midfield and as a defensive midfielder sir. Omo ho edine. Enti N'Golo Kante. Anna Rose Barkley. Omo no so amode ne fan cover Jorginho because Jorginho any sound amode no. Enti in the midfield battle no e be ya amode ne edin between Declan Rice, Mark Noble, N'Golo Kante and Rose Barkley. And obebo 2 top in the shape of Chicharito and Anatovic. Adeba kwa me bompa yese Chelsea center back ne beti ase no. Say David Louis and Rudiger po menimko. Ba oba be faces strikers mienu a ba ko very good was so and ba ko titem kura. Ba ko boxing that's Chicharito. Enti adeba bo Chelsea Football Club some bet must stop Chicharito and Anatovic say omon call menim bebre. Don a very difficult game, keenly contested game. a game back what and be danger
Yes.
but a game back what per records in the Chelsea Football Club. So my last 12 games in the Premier League, West Ham team by Stamford Bridge and be sure mono. I was at Chelsea for taking this opportunity. Omina 3 maximum points. I don't remember that third. I'm sure say at the end of the 90 minutes, I was Stamford Bridge. Yes, and again back was at Chelsea. Yes, I was at Chelsea.
We can do one man for lose who can say Dortmund or
there be 3 matches I mean Nabem.
Oza, me can buy Dortmund or form.
Messi Dortmund form by more at the end of the game no buy and game. And I'm a car Barca.
Why would you be Sana Well, Clement Akwesi, as Don, I'm listening to you live from Bremen Fie. Don West Ham was shocked Chelsea by 2-0. Where tweets are in me so hashtag, you know, a hashtag Adonko123, hashtag Angels Pause. One yenisa na enyadie be can CID Nation say West Ham held us to a drawn game in the first leg at the Olympic Stadium, but today at the Bridge is going to be a different ball game altogether. Has that justly will equalize them? Okay, CID mo English na mo di abani akan Eraser the sniper. I'm just hoping West Ham will do us Manchester United a favor, okay, and score Chelsea. Monitored Chelsea 3, West Ham United 1. Shiftman will say it's a West Ham United victory against Chelsea, and my Arsenal must do everything possible to remain in the top 4. Okay, Gunners, it shall be well. And here Shiftman will say, and Eric Kefa on Twitter said Chelsea will win this game, but lose to will be okay for we the United fans. Don't me feel rough. Eric Kefa on Twitter. Koshaba kiss me. Ewa dangoma say Chelsea 1, West Ham United 1. Hi to Abuaje Edusan and Chuck Papa inside that dangoma say John Srebo, Chris Waddle, GH. Pokalito, no good morning. Don West Ham United 2, Chelsea 1 and Champions League. Liverpool 4, FC Porto 2. Greetings to all Chelsea fans. Prince Martin Carboni said that Don Chelsea will silence and beat West Ham United this evening. And here Prince Martin Carboni say we are what they said that Don the London derbies are always tough, but I believe the Blues at home will beat West Ham United and take all the 3 points. And no Prince Martin Carboni. Why fresh? I will people Zongo say Chelsea will win today by 2-1. Greetings to Square Spy G. Edino Edoso Mr. Tiwea na why in Tintim na me a proceed. Topra Kabuta here on Twitter. Chelsea 2, West Ham United 1. Liverpool 2, FC Porto 0. Still, ubet me do the aba. Adon Sama 1 hashtag Adonko123 hashtag Angels Pause. DS Pause on your life. You better call it and have your commenter. But you say Abdulaziz Mourinho say good morning, Sama. Chelsea will carry the day. Wow, MOT award for Cho. Okay, Angels Pause. Number 1 and no size. Okay, we say I want West Ham United to win against Chelsea for we the United fans. And no a Faga 1. And or the Abba. Nana Kwame Darlington, say good morning, Sam. My darling, Chelsea is going to scatter West Ham United tonight. It's going to be 3-0 win for Chelsea. I'm Darlington from Wuteg School of Journalism. The whole and Nana Kwame Darlington, they tweet with you by still on Twitter, still on DS Post, YouTube. Ubet me Abba. Team free or Ako YouTube, Sisian Marco, can comment video. 10:50, young room.
Yeah, crucial. Me that's na program that so to so DS Sports on YouTube. Obet me the inclusiveness and I say inclusion. Obet me I join one more. John Summer, back in Canada now. Odi can be put. Since Twitter already. How influence man son obesina ko YouTube at John Summer 1 on Twitter. Comment section as you na odo diaba. But hashtags no me Angel Sports and hashtag at Adonko123. So wait me follow on Instagram and Twitter. Wait me follow Nina or Honmo. Game no London derby about between Chelsea hosting West Ham or the Field Stamford Bridge now. Crucial here cause a game pa yenya time for years gone by can share a new game but near can say a game kesia and you might be bring a lot of factors in with me and decide game when it here say DS possible kwan na yane ahefo na etiefo a share or more drink or DS possible no. Crucial so to see here Chelsea ever game with a pointer, that's a point on Arsenal, that paper, 63 points in a million. Now, so far, no Chelsea or battle with all the lending rivals, and one league division is see, and all the lending rivals, one way or the other, bet me, and define Chelsea fit to see, I can say. Only Arsenal now 63 points, but Arsenal on him. Say or no Chelsea, Arsenal fought with goal superiority and they brought Chelsea. So I don't want a point below Tottenham Hotspur on no 64 points. As what I said, Chelsea a winning over 66 points. No, I call that third 2 points over Tottenham Hotspur. Apart from we know I about one more EPL, no crucial. Also, a psychological boost. Emma Chelsea heading into Thursday Europa League. Now we have more money Slavia Prague, or Czech Republic. You know, so this game are just 3 days away, and a game with me about so best selection factors. Game with me I decided, and I said me influence sorry the decision over selection because from now you might can say you know because Sunday. Chelsea be ball Slavia Prague Europa League match. Obesa ball and the no as ball Liverpool game and also so betimi decider on the top 4 battle no. And so this week you know Cesare person ended with a perfect week. So we need this game twice we win Europa no dey be facing Liverpool. Crucial that said you should game one marker selection no one said and so but at the time sorry I mean who say any player be regardless of status betimi bench you. Starting from Higuain or born 90 minutes against Wolves. After so born 90 minutes in New York, and you go and share. What they are not to ball Tia, down no one in Ukraine. That was the game. We need 5-0. Chelsea winning here. In that game, Higuain and Mass squad at all. Ofrimu. Our boss 65 minutes against Everton. That was the game at Chelsea lose 2-0. It was a game against Cardiff City. Higuain any substitution on the 65th minute, crucial on the 77th minute. I know he go through 84th minute and Chelsea should go. So that goal no equalizer after saying now Victor Cameron I should go I'm at Cardiff City on the 46th minute we feel break by no. But after that goal no be equalizer no Chelsea have twice on the 90th minute +1 as have been the win goal is silly that way no. But crucial there one key factor I mention here he going the substitution. If free be see that time no be see the game about Tia and the last game about Tia Brighton no sorry I'm free going I'm an Bobby no pride now only suspension but one friend no single minute and he going boy but some from some contest every Sanford Bridge but they say he going movement you know it be more man and that strikers you know to say Hazard and Pedro mo it be yakwan e go so and that's all ball you know no nko but to share Giroud or boy without the ball the movement and them other players and say Hazard most to a team room. So social Brighton game now Chelsea winning 3-0. That was the game Giroud nailed Loftus-Cheek and Hazard and goal. So between Giroud and Higuain the main differences you know and movement and so far technical members of Sarri squad now starting up more questions say Higuain any that good movement off the ball and yes with the ball but Giroud without the ball it mean fully off the defenders Hazard more a team room and then the old friend is create space so technical members of the squad be starting on one game say sorry pa o change the pecking order no as so say yeah the be share a form here better any form pecking order no changes above or attacking variations and very imminent say he go in everything ya conform and also everything ya come back to the bench I'm a Giroud about be ready crucial that said at Stamford Bridge West Ham any anything you wetin ko Chelsea because more no problems social strikers more Anatovic or more Perez or more Chicharito or Andy Carroll obetimi ended a 9-year marriage with West Ham no coming the next summer year obetimi free but still no me toothless against a side I know we obia but still no more how West Ham team no defensively oh yeah West Ham so as and crucial you can a game one on Botia Cardiff City before that game now West Ham in 10 games not from open play match just 2 goals. Say your bobo no pay or more plan or more share question just 2 outcomes spend a free that attacking migration the rest of it and your penalty near for the corner sports and free and your goal free and so West Ham no more struggle so much and will be a show game will be against Cardiff City no crucial this is a side in the EPL this season what consider the 3rd highest goals in the division 61 goals Fulham and the DKI with 76 goals. When you had this 4 City, when you are a good form with 63 goals, but against Cardiff, team and a but yes, still. Let Chelsea West Ham team no more break. I want to be football into it. And defensively against Huddersfield, the team what considered the most goals. Crucial. Huddersfield Town West Ham show 4, but still Huddersfield Town making sure somebody 4 goals. About 2 or despite that weakness, almost lose to Manchester City 1-0, a very tight game. I want to ask about 1-1 with Liverpool, and then I want to ask about we need 1-0 against Arsenal. So also almost size of almost game this season. Against big size league now, I'm finding means a tight loss, a draw, or even a tight win. I see I can follow in the top 6. Osha reasonably I'm performing good against the top sides. I'm winning 2 draw 2 and lose 5. And 9 games, crucial. I'm consider 7 matches. I'm consider 2 I can consider Chelsea. From the top 6 sides, our EPL game or be as a favorite. Chelsea a 64.07%. I don't believe winning. All of that top sides in every games. In a game, I'm come as a favorite. Now, Osha does 64.07 now. That is the lowest from the top 6 sides or more EPL. All other teams are come as a favorite. But Osha top 6 in Chelsea in that one with the favorite target Taramoa 64.07% out of those games. I don't know what team are winning. Stretching back from 2015 in 9 meetings, our Stamford Bridge, crucial. In a game of ending between this London derby and also London teams, either somebody ending in a draw or 1 goal margin. Stretch it back to 2015 in 9 games. And so, all teams in the Milan, Stamford Bridge, especially mobile, now outcome very, very marginal. So, we have a local crana and your 1 goal differences and appreciate double time. Team news now. Alonso, our hamstring, Pedro, our muscular problem. Omuntimi Mbobi, a very doubtful kakra, but omo out cry entirely. It an Ampadu or back injury on to be Mobi, and a Marco Van Jonker, also a long-term absentee, also to be Mobi. But Osha Pellegrini were boosted by the returns of Anderson, Samuel Nasri, and Ryan Fredericks. Omo betting join the trip, no that 8-mile short trip to Stamford Bridge, no, omo join it. But Osha West Ham, do I out and DiCaro. Andrew Yamalenko and Jack Roche. These guys need out also. It's Carlos Sanchez and Weston Reed. These guys need 2 familiar systems and then you're able to be out in the city. Osha Chelsea throughout the season. I'm going to deploy the 4-3-3 system. But Osha West Ham a 4-3-3 or 4-4-2 system. But 2 managers need an extra. I also bet me I install your systems at place. I say now, Crucial since 2002. At home, Chelsea entered a few lose to this West Ham side. And so now you may call for 2-1 win for Stamford Bridge follow. That is Chelsea. But we are really giving on by 2-1.
Video analyst. Newton, I don't know. Let me hear comments. Quality now to promote in the zero way.
No. Yes, you are.
Man force wa mo lose bet butu we na brim no pa that you free net dey mo dwene wa o enti as Stephen Kwashi so I'm watching you live from the Kingdom of Bahrain Stephen Kwashi echa Bahrain fo nyina okay you go so ayewe ma still live e DS Sports on YouTube wo buy be kan o message no amount messages na ba no eto super enya asem ketua ben ye pesi ye draw curtain no half in nkrofo ewrem nana kwampoku David C Rodo yes from Bekwai Denyase say Chelsea 1 West Ham United 2 Asunaba kwabenafoso ewo boase good analysis and no dia ba Kinzola as Chelsea 5 West Ham 0 do you do it for us. I'm watching you live from Kinzola near Techiman Samuel J Chelsea will win, but that Chupo Motin loss, dear, I'm still shocked. I lost my bet because of it. Angel Sports, the best. And no, Samuel J. And no, I'm on 4 days by Guswa Yehuana Fiat and 1 10 times. So Bennett, Cromwell, Eddie Free, KNUST, Chelsea 5, West Ham United 1 from Nast. Kwesi Kwatin, good morning, panelists. Okay. Or say God's blessings. Okay, making Asante proud on air. Okay, keep the fire burning. And Akwesi Kwatin on Twitter. DJ Filippo Abankwa Philip. Good morning, Sam. I'm watching you live from Italy, Roma. Okay, Chelsea will win by 3 goals to 0. DJ Filippo, Frank JB, Sama. No chance for the Blues today. Watching you live from Domiabra, keep it up, guys. You know, from JP Eddie, no. Beniza Mensah, which my friend Nanado or Techima, Chelsea 3, West Ham United 1. Beniza Mensah, Alicia Keys, Eddie Abba from Dubai. Or say good morning, summer. Chelsea 4, West Ham United 0. Alicia Keys, Dubai, and what do we have? Collins Noble, fantastic show by all standards. Please, okay, mention. Okay, you're talking about the RTP. Fancy Mubumbe Wajuma, Mauko Bay Wajuma, and yet RTP Fockless, yes, Fockless. More fire done, Nana Fred, and so at the end, YouTube anyway, I can Richmond say, the Abba. Also the free withdrew University College. Chelsea will win by 2-0. Luis Oforimenka, more fire. Della shed the legend too much. Angel Sports. Good morning, Don. I'm watching you live from Techiman, but I can see a drawn game or shady legend at the end. Douglas Obense Chelsea is winning. Boateng quality done. How I wish Kwame Della is my blood brother. I really like him. Okay. That's it. Luis Oforimenka Kamedi can no. Bernard Buampon more fire watching you live from Kenya. Say why be messages the doors still DS Pulse on YouTube. Gavin, headlines be Oana.
Yeah. Some maybe bath Kotoko has and now confirms Maleka Kuwa. Also within the week last week, me Beka said last week, you know, me Baba Khan were Fidiemu said Maleka Kuwa any coach Kim Grant enya scaffold kakaba sama for now. Enya PSA house ama Maleka Kuwa indefinite suspension. The Malek since on board first new year Malek enka has 18 no. And no the a free war ever. Now again, has of folk one. Someone said no team no the boys over here. My name is Kofi Adrian Koswa. Changes be by Manav Guma in your aquarium room, Michelle Sapon in your aquarium room. Now it is there is a reason behind that. Okoba Mama phone at the Kuntia, Coach Kim Grant, ASR changes. So my room was Zambia. Zesco United for Sonny Yakuba. Now Okoba, you didn't come on pay. Zesco Kobo and Ra match Omuko away. You run ama George Landamino or your head coach, no. You didn't come Kakaba, Jom for Sonny Yakuba. Propose monthly salary on Basom de Mayakuba. Some Akoba I mean to Game Chief for Mutinjo. And with the Ecoso.
Okay. As a control Oscar.
Yeah.
Cocky attitude.
Or divide the attention. Yes, okay. That's okay. Some at a point to ball we are now out of number. I'm a team. Now I'm going to think of more brands and say some 1 minute from Sunyani. Okay, second syndrome. Okay, Eba Kwaba and some close Sunyani to Koba. 96.1. Enjoy.